Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a wicked cool 1986 Dodge Ram short box lifted truck, killer truck, guys. Clean North Carolina truck, never been out of it. It's always been in North Carolina its whole life. Factory color combination, which is this light cream, I think it's called, with the tan interior. Absolutely love lifted trucks, man. I love them. I drive one every single day. Matter of fact, my plan is here in about a year, I'm going to sell my new truck and I'm going to drive nothing but old stuff like this. But killer, rock solid body, nice paint, nice interior, very original truck. 81,000 original miles, brand new rough country lift kit, brand new wheels and tires. I actually drove the truck down to get it aligned, but when I mean the wheels and tires are so new and the lift kit is new. Not a whole lot to really nitpick on this truck. It's turn the key, go cruise it, go have some fun. It's got air. Sorry about all the flowers blowing in the background here. It's just that time of year. But really cool truck, man. Outside of the truck's been repainted. Again, it is the original color. The original jams are the jams in the engine compartment. They're original. All the chrome and stainless. They updated the headlights, but all this stuff up front is original. So you can pick at it a little bit. One of my favorite things on a Dodge truck. I love those. Original front bumper, it's showing a little wear. They, like I say, they upgraded the headlights on it. Nice paint, and sorry about the flowers blowing in the background. Windy day. Couple little marks I noticed. It's had one repaint. New front windshield. I think the rest of the glass is original. I didn't see a lot of scratching or anything. I saw a couple little marks in this back glass. They Rhino lined the bed, which is cool because it's usable. Again, this stuff's original. A couple little touch-up marks. I think he said the paint on this truck was about 10 years old. They repainted this bumper. They did a nice job on that. Good straight old truck. Brand new rubber, brand new Pacer aluminum wheels. Again, I mean, you can see they just did a lot of little things to this truck. Hits the road great. I've driven it multiple times. It really hits the road good. Again, I'm the one that took it down to get it aligned. Air blows cold. Of course, it's got the front disc brakes. All the front, matter of fact, you can see, I mean, all the front suspension and everything on it's brand spanking new. Really cool, fun truck, man. Original 318 two-barrel, all that stuff's pretty much bone stock underneath the hood. Stock intake and exhaust manifolds. It still has the original smog pump on the truck. Air blows cold, aluminum radiator, power steering, power disc brakes. Again, it's four-wheel drive. You can see this is the original paint still underneath the hood here and in the engine compartment. All your original stickers are still intact. Automatic trans. I dig it, man. Very cool truck. Door skins are nice and clean. Door pads, again, they're original. Show a little age. I think this carpet's original. Original door sticker still intact for you California residents. I think this is the original seat, still in great shape. Dome light works. Original steering wheel, factory gauges, all that stuff works. 81,605 original miles on the truck. It's got the factory wood grain dash, AM/FM radio. I don't know if they were going to put some fog lights on or something, but it's not hooked up, so I don't know what they were doing there. Of course, that's your dealer installed air. Dash is in nice shape. Underneath the passenger side, when I get there, is all your original paperwork. I took a picture of that. Again, couple little dings as you walk around in the trim, but nothing hideous, man. Just a nice truck. Again, I love that they Rhino line the bed. Makes it very user-friendly. You can put your cooler, your chairs in there, whatever you're doing. You can see how clean this thing is underneath. Sorry, I think I accidentally bumped this little button here from the back side and shut this thing off, so sorry. Sometimes my fingers get in the way here. Again, good clean door skins. Just a nice truck, man. You can see the pinch welds are real nice. Again, original seat, that's real nice. Oh, I've got all the paperwork for the truck too. I took pictures of that. That, of course, all goes with the truck. Dash pad's nice. Again, original door handles here. It just takes the road great. Maybe it's got the air on. You see it works. It blows cold. It's a great truck. Again, all your gauges are functional. All that stuff works. Inside hood release. Doors open and close real nice. All your lights and stuff work. Backup lights. Great truck. You want a nice driver? I think you'll have a blast with this truck. Radio works, again, blower motor works. Everything in there seems to work. Wipers work. You see it's got the updated headlights. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. And that way you get a notification every time we post a new video. Have a great day, guys.